Hey, today, let's learn how to merge OGG files online and offline. Okay, in the first part, we will learn how to merge OGG files offline with Share Video Joiner. Step 1. Open Share Video Joiner and drag OGG files to it, or click Open File to do it. Step 2. Tap on Format to choose a merging mode and an output format. With encoding mode, you can customize format parameters and edit files. With high-speed mode, these OGG files can be merged with lossless quality. Step 3. After choosing, back to the first interface. Next, preview OGG files and cut some unwanted parts from them.
Thought it possible and sleeping thoughts to the exclusion
of an upstairs box which I inherited as a youth from my grandfather. This is
Step 4. Hit on Edit button to edit trim OGG files, add various sound effects, adjust audio volume, etc. If select encoding mode to merge.
May I feel, said he, by E. Cummings. May
Step 5. Lastly, just press on Convert to start the process. That's all for merging OGG files with Share Video Joiner. Next, let's see how to merge OGG files online. Take Bear Audio Editor as an example. Firstly, visit the official website of Bear Audio Editor. After getting into its main interface, drag and drop OGG files to the designated position, if needed. You can cut files, apply fade in and fade out to these OGG files, etc. When everything gets ready, please click Save to select an export format and customize bitrate or channel. Finally, touch a Save icon to start merging.
I feel, said he.
The process needs a stable network and will take you some time.